In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Cloudways error establishing a database connection. If you open your website and suddenly see the message error establishing a database connection, don't panic. This usually means your application can't communicate with the database. On Cloudways, the most common causes are simple. Either the MySQL or MariaDB service has stopped running, or your application is using the wrong database credentials in its configuration file. The first thing to do is check whether the database service is online. Sign into your Cloudways platform, go to the servers area, and select the server that hosts the affected site. From the left side menu, open Manage Services. There, find MySQL or MariaDB and check its status. If it looks stopped or unresponsive, restart it. In many cases, this alone restores the connection within a few seconds. If the service is running but the error remains, the next step is to verify the correct database credentials. Go to the Applications section and open the website that's having the issue. On the Access Details page, locate the Database Details section. This area contains the live database name, username, and password assigned to that application. Use these exact values carefully, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Now update your application's configuration file so it matches those database details. If the site runs on WordPress, open the file manager in Cloudways or connect through SFTP. Then go to the public folder and open the wp-config.php file. Find the database settings and replace the existing DB name, DB user, and DB password values with the correct ones from Cloudways, then save the file. If you're using Laravel or a custom PHP application, open the .env file in the root directory. Update the DB database, DB username, and DB password values so they match what Cloudways shows. If your app uses cached configuration, clear that cache afterwards so the new settings take effect immediately. If the problem keeps coming back during traffic spikes, your server may be running low on memory. In that case, return to the Servers section, open Settings and Packages, and go to the Advanced settings. Review the database-related memory values, such as the InnoDB buffer pool setting, and increase them carefully if needed. This can help your database handle load more reliably. Finally, test the site in a fresh private browser window. Check key pages, login areas, and any database-driven content to confirm everything loads normally. Also, review your monitoring tools in Cloudways to make sure the server and